Hello guys, welcome back to encoding. And so in today's tutorial, we will be learning about condition statements. In this tutorial, this is tutorial 6 of the series. You'll be wondering, what are condition statements? So condition statements are basically Boolean data types that the console outputs. So let's say for example, like you write like A is equals to B, and then the Python will print a command like a Boolean variable based on that. So it will either print true or false. Now for condition loops to work, what you have to do is you have to input the condition into a function, and if the condition is true, Python will print true in the terminal. However, if the condition is false, then Python will print false in the terminal, saying that this is wrong. So I can show you an example of this in our editor, IDE. So just open up your IDE. It doesn't matter what you use. Okay. Just using this. Okay. So now we have this. Okay. After we have this, so you can just, for example, a example is you can just say print, and you could here write like maybe hello, and then here you just put equals to, and then hello again. Now over here, since our data types are string variables are not the same, this function here will print a false. This equation here will print a false because it is not true. Because over here we have a small h, but over here we have a big h. So let's try that out, and yes, it prints a false. Now, if we want this to print true, then all you have to do is get rid of the capital H and put in a smaller h, a lowercase h. So you put that in, and you just run it. So see, you get a true here now. Now, this is just very basic. So let's move on like a bit advanced. So here is this. So what kind of condition symbols can you use? So you can use equal to. You can use greater than and less greater than. You could use less than. You could use all so many things like that. So let's give an example. So for example, we could say print this number is greater than this number. So we have this number over here, and we're printing if it's greater than, so we're basically saying a question inside this function. So we're saying print what the answer of this question. So we're saying print the answer of the question. 324 greater than 123. Now if the answer is correct, like if it's true, then Python will print true. However, if it is false, it will print false. So in this case, it should print true. So this is a mathematically correct equation. You see, it prints it true. So and if we wanted to make it false, we could just over here just get rid of the greater than and put in a less than. Now over here, it will print it false because this equation is mathematically incorrect. So we run this, and it shows up as false. So this can be used for things like this. However, you might be wondering, how can conditional statements be used like in advanced coding? So like so it can be used. So say for example, you've written a lot of code. You've written like maybe like 100 to 200 lines, and like you've declared a few variables at the top with numbers. So I'll just declare a few now. So a equals to, I don't know, this. B is equal to, I don't know, that. Then C is equal to, then I don't know, this. Now you go up here and say like you're not like really sure like which one is like more like strong, because each one has a 4 in it. Let's just say each one has a 4,000 in there. Now like if you don't know how to work out which one is the biggest, then all you need to do is just enter two functions. That's all you need to do. So you can say print if A is greater than B, and so let's just print this one out. So we print this, it will say false. Okay, so that means A is smaller than B, because automatically it becomes smaller. And then we say print B is smaller is greater than C. Now over here, we can just say these two statements and we'll print false, false. In which we can say, since we asked them, is A greater than B? And Python says, no, it is not, it's false. So then we can just assume that B is greater than A. And then the second one as well is we ask, is B greater than C? Now over here, we've asked, is B greater than C? So Python is saying no, B is not greater than C, which means overall C is the largest and A is the smallest, and B is in the middle. So this can be used if you've written a huge like chunky code and you don't really know how to differentiate between like the variables and which one is the largest and which one is the smallest. So like you can easily put a high score like this, and it can come very very close. So it can even come to something like this. It could be like uh this point this. It could like be very close. It could be like something like that. This could be something like this, and you might not like really know how to just like differentiate this. So you could easily just put this statements in, and it would automatically print which one is the largest and which one is the smallest. So that's how you can use conditional statements in Python. Hope you enjoyed my video. Make sure to subscribe to have daily content like this. I will be seeing you in the next tutorial. Have fun, safe, peace.